Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to add schema support using Happy WooCommerce FAQ plugin. First, we have to go to the settings page of the plugin and enable schema support. Save our changes, go to add new FAQ and add our FAQ question. Now we have to choose a particular product where we want to show the FAQ. We are choosing t-shirt. Product category is also t-shirt. And displaying pages would be product and archive page. We are going to click publish and go to the particular product to see the product page with our FAQ. Now here is our FAQ, and to see the schema we have to click on the Chrome extension called Schema Builder. Go to FAQ and click on View Markup. We have a lot of features in our free version, including shortcode support, full customization, media support in FAQs. And in our premium version, we have additional features like displaying shop page, cart page, archive page, RTL support, etc. We are going to see each and every one of those features in new videos. Thank you.